Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z. I, for incentive. In Bitcoin, incentives can be thought of as rewards given to individuals or companies for certain behaviors or actions. It can be many things, from maintaining the network to validating transactions. Most common form of incentive is the block reward. This reward is given to miners for solving complex mathematical equations, securing the network. The block reward is given out in the form of newly created bitcoins, which is why mining is often associated with Bitcoin. There are other ways for individuals or companies to earn incentives in the Bitcoin network, for instance by earning fees for validating transactions. These transaction fees are small amounts of Bitcoin paid by users to prioritize their transactions on the network. Incentives are an important part of the Bitcoin network, as they encourage individuals and companies to participate and help maintain the network. They also help ensure that the network remains secure and decentralized. Without incentives, it's unlikely that Bitcoin would have become as successful as it is today. So, if you're interested in participating in the Bitcoin network, remember that there are incentives available for you to earn. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper on Bitcoin and be sure to check out our other videos in this series.